Hola, hello, I'm Dana, teaching artist with Young Audience of Louisiana. This is Baby Artsplay, partnered with the Ogden Museum of Southern Art. This is workshop Baby Balancing Act with featured artist Kendall Shaw. Welcome. In this workshop, we will focus on bilateral movement or bilateral integration. All you need is a safe space for you and your little one to sit on the floor and have fun with these bilateral coordinated activities. I'll give you a few seconds to get ready. Bilateral integration is the ability for the body to move both sides in a coordinated way. Without it, you would appear a little clumsy. Beyond that, when both sides of your little one's body work together, it means that both hemispheres of their brain are working together in a balanced way. In the following activities, we will practice on bilateral movement to help everyday tasks like walking and climbing stairs just a little bit easy. Let's practice. Okay, I hope you guys are ready to sing our hello song. And you can also say hello by saying hola, which is how you say hello in Spanish. Can you say hola?
Hola.
This is my son,
Jidelu.
Jidelu's here. He's going to help me out with a few activities. Okay, let's start. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. And then go hi, hello. Can you say hi? Hi, hello, and hi, hello. One more time. Hi, hello. Hands up. You ready? Let's start with one hand and saying hello. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. And hello, hello, hello. Sing with me. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Now let's sing hola. Can you say hola?
Hola.
Can you say hola?
Hola.
Hola is how you say hello in Spanish. Here we go.
Hola.
Hola, 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 hola. Hola, everybody. Hola, hola, hola. One more time. Here we go. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hola, hola, hola. Hands down. Ah, good job. Let's make sure your hands are warm. Let's go. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. One more time. Hands up. Hands down. Ah, good job. Say it with me. Up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. One more time. Hands up. Hands down. Good job. Let's wiggle our hands. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Freeze. Let's shake our hands. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. One more time. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Hands down. Oh, good job. Let's give a round of applause. You did a good job. Good job. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Freeze. Let's sing a song about fruits. Let's sing a song about
Fruit.
Let's sing a song about
Fruit.
Okay, caregivers, if you can make a fist and instruct your little one to make a fist and copy the same arm movements up and down as we sing the fruit song, the I love fruit song. Here we go. Fruits, fruits, I love fruits. Fruits, fruits, I love fruits. Fruits, Fruits, fruits. I love fruits. Our first fruit, avocado. Can you say avocado?
Avocado.
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 Okay. Lemon. Lemon. Can you say lemon?
Lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon. And then we have the orange. Can you say orange?
Orange.
Can you say orange? One more time. Can you say orange?
Orange.
And our last fruit is a guava. Can you say guava?
Guava.
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 Guava. Guava.
Guava.
Okay, so we have an avocado, lemon,
Orange.
and
Guava.
guava. One more time. Avocado, lemon,
Orange.
guava. Here we go. Fruits, fruits. I love fruits. Fruits, fruits. I love fruits. One more time. Fruits, fruits. I love fruits. I love.
Fruit.
I love.
Fruit.
I love.
Fruit.
Fruits. Good job. Let's play activities called Smash the
Fruit.
Smash the
Fruit.
Smash the
Fruit.
Smash the fruit. Now we need to use our hands because they're nice and ready from singing their hello and shaking them. Ready? Let's hands are up. Both hands are up. Let's pull them in. Face them in each other. Just like that. Little good job. Good job out there. Now, caregivers, hold your hands up wide and we're going to smash the fruit. Here we go. But you have to wait. You have to be so patient, right? We have to be what, Lou?
Patient.
Patient to smash the fruit. You ready? We're going to smash the orange first. Which one are we going to smash?
Orange.
Orange. Here we go. And we're going to go so slow and then smash it at the end. Here we go. Everybody say slow. Slow. And smash. Good job. Now let's eat the orange up. Tastes so good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hands are up. And let's turn them in. Let's smash the avocado. We're going to smash the
Avocado.
avocado. Here we go. Let's smash. Everybody say slow. Slow. And smash. Let's eat the avocado up. Let's eat it up. Good job. It tastes so good, right, Lou? Tastes so good. Let's smash the guava. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Lulu?
Yes.
Okay, hands up. Let's turn them in. Here we go. Let's smash. Go so slow. Slow. And smash. Let's eat the guava up. Here we go. Tastes so good, right, Lou?
Yeah.
Okay, it tastes good, right? Okay, one more fruit. It's called the
Lemon.
lemon. Lemon. Let's smash that lemon. Here we go. Turn our hands in. Here we go. Ready? Smash it, but so slow. Let's let's pretend that it's a big lemon. Here we go. Everybody say slow. Slow. And smash. Let's eat them up. Eat that lemon up. Good job. Now let's smash all of the fruits. We have the orange, the avocado, the guava, and the
Lemon.
lemon. Let's smash all of the fruits. Are you ready, Lou? Here we go. Ready? Let's smash. Say slow. Slow. And smash. Oh, let's eat all the fruits up. Oh, let's rub our tummies. Rub our tummies because it tastes so good. Tastes good, Lou?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. I hope you enjoyed smashing those fruits. Okay, guys, you're doing so great at smashing that fruit, right, Lou?
Yeah.
And shaking those hands. Now we're going to sing a song called rum, sum, sum. Can you say that?
Rum, sum, sum.
Say it again.
Rum, sum, sum.
Okay, but we're going to need to use our hands again, and we're going to ball one fist up and the other fist up. Caregivers, make sure your hands are balled up into a ball, a nice tight ball, and we're going to stack them on top of each other. And we're going to sing a rum, sum, sum. Are you ready, Lou?
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Away-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Good job, Lou. Now let's try to do it a little quieter with a softer voice. Here we go. Hold those hands up, stack them. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Away-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Good job, Lou. Good job, everybody. Now let's sing it a little bit faster. We're gonna go a little bit
faster.
A little bit faster. Here we go. Let's stack those thumbs. Here we go. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ooh, good job, Lou. You sung it so fast. Now let's try to sing it a little bit slow. We're going to sing it a little bit slow. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Good job. Let's go one more time. Yes, let's go one more time. Let's get our hands ready. Let's shake them out. Get them ready. Woo. Shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. One more time. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Now let's sing a rum, sum, sum. Ready? One more time. Ready, Lou? Ball those hands up. Here we go. Sing loud and clear so I can hear you. Here we go. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Rum, sum, sum, rum, sum, sum. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Ale-o, ale-o. Gilly, 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 rum, sum, sum. Oh, good job. You did a great job. Give yourself a round of applause. You did a great job. That was a rum, sum, sum. Such a great job. Let's take a look at this artwork from the Ogden Museum Permanent Collection. Let's look at it together. What do you see? I see people. Let's count them together. 1, 2, and 3. What are these people doing? I see a baseball player throwing a ball. Can you throw a ball? I'm sure you can. I also see some colors. I see black, red, and white. Can you find something red at home? Caregivers, can you help your little one find something red at home? This is called the Dick Donovan Surprise. It is painted by Kendall Shaw. I guess the baseball player name is Dick Donovan. What a fun picture. Okay, guys, you did a great job. You did a great job, Lulu. Everybody did a great job, but now it's time to sing our goodbye song. So we're going to sing our goodbye song the same as the hello song, but we're going to sing adios also, which is goodbye in Spanish. Can you say adios?
Adios.
Can you say adios?
Adios.
Oh, good job. Good job. One hand up and two hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. And go high and low and high and low. Say hi. High and low and high and low. Okay, now let's sing the goodbye song. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both hands. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Again. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Now let's sing it and saying adios. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Both hands. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Hands down. Good job. Thank you for singing adios with me, or goodbye song. You did a great job. Everybody did a great job. Give yourselves a thumbs up. Good job. And a pat on the back. Good job. And a round of applause. Applause. Good job. Good job, Lulu.